Break it.
Were we done? Where's it at?
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
She gon' suck me like a fucking icy. Chains on the neck for the whole team. And I feel like Gucci with the ice cream. And my bitch with the Fenty. Mama always told me I was gonna break hearts. I guess it's her fault. How many more stops do we have?
We still got like 3 more.
Told you. He's already complaining.
2 more technically, because we're not gonna go to Top Bar. So while everybody's finishing up their drinks, next barge 295. What's up, y'all? So we just left O'Neill's right now, stop number 2. We're about to head to barge.
Fancy place.
Fancy. And then we're about to head to barge 295.
On there too. Looks like you're on. Kick my ass.
I will. Oh my gosh. You will at the next stop. What? What the? Where's the music? Okay.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose. Bicycles with that cup on the back.
All right, we made it. Poor Jonathan. He's getting beat up so bad back there. Karina's being so mean. She won't let me ride the Spark while he rides here.
I might bounce around.
Really?
Yeah, that's just like that. Just like that.
G63. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it
Were we done?
break it up.
Where's it at? The motion?
Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Break it up, break it up, break it up. I made love to a stripper. First I had to 20,000 more. She said I'm there.
What's up? What's up?
Hey, what's up? I'm from Facebook.
Oh, really? Come with us. We're going to barge 295.
Okay.
Come on. Don't want to waste your time.
You with the.
Hey! Oh my God! What is going on? Hey, hips don't lie. Hey, you know this song?
You're making me cry.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. Trust itself. I got white girls blushing on me, cottage girls rushing on me. All my diamonds custom in the sauce. Cause Gucci got the glow. I drink till I'm drunk. Smoke till I'm high. Hustle on the hill. Wake up in the sky. You can't tell me.
Look at this Spark all by its lonesome over there. Yeah, that's good. Perfect.
I didn't expect that.
Where's Chrissy and them at?
don't know. I didn't look.
Thank you. And Javier's taking off. You're taking off.
You're closer to God on the water than anywhere else. True. Did you hear that? You're closer to God on the water than anywhere else. Where do they baptize babies? In the water. Go shop in the water. That's baptized.
These guys here. Kevin! Kevin! Are we going to Boondoggle?
Oh. Not for a little bit.
I think he's done. He's done.
I might be done.
We only went to 2 spots and he can't even hang with the pub crawl.
He said he has to go to work tomorrow.
Okay. Oh.
I didn't know y'all were up here. It's a nice spot.
Yo, can you stop?
Can you? What the hell are these two up to right now?
You got her? You got her?
Okay, look at my electrician friend. He sees a loose connection and he starts messing with it.
What happened? Were you scared?
What were you doing?
You were scared of
I was gonna repair it.
Why?
You're not working right now.
Look at my shirt. Karina.
My aunt gave me.
Okay, stack.
It's sass time.
Are you smiling? Are you smiling?